Disclaimer: this content is for educational awareness only, not a promotion.
Hey everyone, welcome back to D Reviews, where we unpack the truth before you unpack your wallet. Today, we're looking at a gadget that claims to be a game changer for summer. Introducing the Glacier Breeze AC, a name that sounds like it should come with a snowstorm in a box. But does it actually cool like an air conditioner? Or is it just blowing coldish lies? Let's find out. What is the Glacier Breeze AC? So, here's what they're selling you. A compact USB rechargeable device that works as a fan, humidifier, and air cooler. Just add water or ice, press a button, and poof, instant AC, they say. Sounds amazing, right? Well, let's just say if this thing were a superhero, it'd be called Captain Slightly Refreshing. What we liked. Let's give credit where it's due. It's portable, quiet, and fits nicely on your desk. It's great if you're working, gaming, or sleeping and want a little breeze without waking up to a hairdryer in your face. It sips power like a polite guest, way more energy efficient than a traditional AC. And for certain dry areas or camping setups, honestly, it works decently. But now let's talk about reality. Here's where things get a little sticky, literally. It's not an AC. Let us repeat that. It's not an air conditioner. It's a glorified fan with a splash of mist. So if you're hoping to cool a room, sorry, this won't even cool your dog's corner, unless he's lying directly in front of it with a towel over his head. It increases humidity. That might sound nice at first, until you remember that hot and humid is basically nature's slow cooker. If your room already feels like a sweaty sauna, this thing just adds more moisture to the mix. You're not cooling down, you're steaming yourself like a dim sum dumpling. Only cools when you're up close. Yes, it can feel cool if you're sitting right in front of it. But so does a regular desk fan, and those don't require you to refill the tank, clean filters, or question your life choices every 10 minutes. So, is it a scam? No, we can't call it a scam because it is a real product, and it does what it says. Well, kind of. But the marketing is definitely doing some heavy lifting. Words like portable AC are being thrown around a little too loosely. If you're expecting Arctic air in your living room, you're going to be disappointed. But if you just want a mild breeze with a misty touch while you work, it can do the job. Final verdict from D Reviews. Glacier Breeze. AC is not total junk, it's just misunderstood due to its misleading advertisement. It's like buying a goldfish and being upset it doesn't bark. Use it right, and it's a handy little helper. Use it wrong, and you'll end up sitting in a humid cloud of regret, wondering why your room still feels like a microwaved burrito. So, before buying one, ask yourself, do I want real cooling or just a small breeze with a splash of humidity in the face? If you're okay with the latter, go for it. But don't expect this thing to fight off summer by itself. That's it for this chilling episode of D Reviews. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with a sweaty friend who thinks tiny fans are the answer to global warming. And as always, don't get scammed, get D-reviewed.